Hey everyone, this is Matthew with Z1, and we've got another product launch that we're excited to give out to you today. So this particular one is the HotBox. The HotBox is specifically for the Q50, Q60 with the VR30. What is exciting about this particular product is it's essentially a piggyback that you plug in series with your boost sensor. It's going to intercept the signal that's going to your wastegates and your turbos, and it's going to basically tell it to increase boost pressure by 3 to 3.5 psi to give you a little bit extra boost. What's nice about the HotBox is that this is a plug-and-play tool. You don't have to do any tuning. It's just basically a plug-in tune that you can remove whenever you'd like. It comes with a bracket to kind of hold it in place underneath the hood. This probably, if I were to guess, only takes just a couple of minutes to install on your vehicle. This is great for those of you that would like to do something to your car where you're not having to change a lot of stuff to put it back to stock. Probably one of the best ways to describe what the HotBox feels like, if you're just looking at the way the car feels from a seat of your pants type of description, if you will, is if you have a Red Sport VR30 with the Q, this is going to feel a little bit like a level 1 tune. You just plugged in a level 1 tune. If you have a non-Red Sport, it's going to make it feel a little bit closer to what the Red Sport would in a stock application. So if you're looking for some quick plug-and-play, easy, don't get your hands dirty type upgrade for your car, the HotBox is a great solution for your VR30 and the Q. That's going to wrap it up for us today, guys. Appreciate you tuning in to learn more about the HotBox. It is live now on z1motorsports.com, so look for that on our site if you've got a Infiniti Q50 or Q60 with the VR30. Don't forget about us for your OE solutions as well when you're just doing maintenance and tune-ups on your cars. Thanks.